My dear friends and teachers, my name is Arnav Nandurkar, studying in Standard 8th Mercury. Today I am going to present an experiment on the occasion of National Science Day. National Science Day is celebrated on 20th February every year to commemorate the discovery of scattering of light or the Raman effect by great Indian physicist and scientist Sir C.V. Raman. On this occasion, I will be presenting an experiment based on the principles of electricity generation. Electricity, which we use in our day-to-day lives to make our tasks easier, can be generated through simple DC motors. The aim of this experiment is to prove that DC motors can generate electricity easily and power electrical devices. So let us see the working of this experiment. For generating electricity, we need two DC motors, a battery pack and a breadboard. These are the two DC motors which will be used to generate electricity. This motor is powered by a battery and this motor will be the one generating electricity. They are interlocked by these two gears. When this motor rotates, because of the gear system, this motor will also rotate and generate electricity, which will be supplied to this breadboard. A breadboard is a prototyping board which can be used to test out new inventions. Now, we will first start by powering an LED bulb with this electricity. I will insert this green colored LED bulb in the breadboard. As you know, an electricity bulb has two terminals, negative and positive. Now we will access this positive terminal by this jumper wire which I connected to the LED bulb, and this is the negative end which I connected to the negative end of the bulb. Now, when I turn on this motor, it will rotate the other motor which will generate electricity and power the bulb. As you can see, the bulb was glowing. We can use other types of LED bulbs as well. This is a red LED. It glows too. Now, this is a multicolored LED which glows in different colors and patterns. This too is powered. Note that it is not powered because of the battery, it is powered due to the turning of this motor. We can also power a buzzer using this generated electricity. This is a buzzer, a device which uses electricity to make a sound. I will insert this here and connect the positive and negative terminals to it. Now when I turn this on, the buzzer will make a sound. You heard the buzzer making a sound because of electricity. Now we will power a buzzer and a LED bulb with this. Now I have inserted a LED bulb and we will connect it to both terminals again. The buzzer and the bulb both were powered. We can use other types of bulbs with this buzzer too. This shows that a huge amount of electricity is generated using this motor. As you saw in the experiment, the motor was rotating and powering the buzzer and LED. This is because electricity was generated inside the motor when it was turned by the second motor. The second motor had a gear which was connected with the gear on the first motor. The second motor was powered by a battery and hence it rotated, and because of the two gears connected to each other, when the second motor turned due to the battery, the first motor also rotated and the first motor created electricity which powered the breadboard circuit. Through the electricity generated by the motor, we powered a buzzer and LEDs. This proves that electricity can be generated easily through motors. This principle is also used in hydroelectricity plants and wind turbines. In a hydroelectricity plant, water is used to turn the motors, which creates electricity, and in a wind turbine, wind rotates the generator. This was an interesting experiment and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.